How to download Devil May Cry Peak of Combat on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to download Devil May Cry Peak of Combat on your Android device, firstly, open up your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Devil May Cry. Now from the search result, look for this application from Nebula Joy and then tap on Install. Wait for the game to download and install, and once the installation is completed, you can launch open the game and start playing. The download process might take a while depending upon the internet speed, and the game is also huge, so it may take some extra spaces on your device. Just make sure that you have enough storage space on your device that you are using to download the app. After the download is completed, you can open the game, allow the game to download any additional files or updates it requires, and follow through the on-screen instructions to start playing. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.